Next up, we have Color Picker. This is a lot of fun. Let me import a picture. Image stack over here, and then click Photos, and then you can pick and import a photo. And also what it does is it imports the color palette. So down here, this little circle, yours is probably black. You have the color palette from the image you just dropped in. But if for whatever reason you didn't import an image and you've been playing around over here and you found all of these Fresco colors in this Fresco menu, and you really like this color here, and then you picked a different color and kind of did something like that, and you wanted to kind of like get that color in between. So if you press and hold your finger, it's gonna bring up this little eyedropper tool. And what it's doing is selecting, color picking the color. And the color on top is gonna be the new color that will be changed. And the color on the bottom is the old color. So if I wanna pick these two colors blended together, I just eyedrop and get a new color, which is one of the super coolest things. Another neat thing, I'm just gonna keep this charcoal brush and using the color picker, if you zoom all the way out, there it is. Okay, if you click the eyedropper tool, there's two little buttons over here. The top one is gonna give you just a single color. The bottom one is gonna give you a combination. So if you can see, I've got the dark blue, the orange, and the light blue all on the top of that little circle. I'm gonna use that as my color picker. And then you can see over here on my color, it's got all three of those colors. Now watch. When I go to draw, it's got the colors in it from what I just mixed together. So that is how you can create custom color combo matching things. And so one more time, if you want to see that again, I'm going to pick three colors. So 1, 2, 3. I'm doing that by just clicking, circle, picking the color, and then drawing it on my screen. Now I'm going to go above and click the eyedropper tool. I'm going to make sure this bottom circle is selected with the 4 grid. And then I'm going to press and hold until I kind of see, right now it's all white, but until I kind of get all 3 colors how I want it. And a little bit more. Now I'm going to kind of zoom out. And let's try this crispy liner. Let's see what's going on. Let's try this down. Interesting. Look at that. Okay, we haven't really messed with a lot of brush settings. That's just picking the color. To change the brush size, you're going to click this number right below the color, and you can increase the size. So you can see how it's getting larger. And then you've got a custom size brush. Click it again to shrink it down. Same over here, pick a new brush, increase the size, and go ahead and clear. So beautiful. So that's the size of the brush. And then down here is the smoothing. So the smoothing allows you to get rid of like the hand jitter. Before moving on to the next video, I want you to go ahead and take some time and draw 5 lines, 5 circles, and 5 squares. You can go back to the recent colors and pick any of the colors you just created, as well as snapping. We didn't go over snapping, but really quickly, snapping is another cool feature only on digital. So if you draw your circle, it doesn't only look like a circle, but draw your circle and hold it. It's gonna snap it to a perfect circle. Pretty cool, huh? And if you snap it and don't let go, you can change the size. Does the same thing for a triangle and for a square and a line. All right, so while you're drawing your shapes, try snapping and then share it with me by tagging me at shellycreates.com. See you in the next video.